Hey kids, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a pretty neat push-up. In the past I've shown you how to do rocking push-ups, where you get on your hands and knees in the rocking position and you lower yourself down and back up. So I call this a rocking push-up. And I've also shown you how to do like a Hindu rocking push-up, where you dive down through, come up, and then push yourself back to rocking. Dive down through, come up, and push yourself back to rocking. This week, what I want to show you is how to do a reverse Hindu rocking push-up. So, this one's fun, and like the other push-ups, this one actually, this feels good too. So all you do is you rock forward, lower yourself down, and then push yourself back. So it's forward, push back, forward. And honestly, this just feels neat. It feels good, but it feels neat. Almost like new money. New money. So you'll really feel this in your back muscles, which is kind of cool because it's a push-up. So you might be thinking, well, that's chest and triceps and shoulders. You're gonna feel it in your back. I feel it in my back. So the other thing you can do is play with your speed on this. So, and your feet can be plantar flexed or dorsiflexed, but you can lower yourself down real slow and then push yourself back slow. And when you come back, you can allow your forearms to touch the floor and use those to help push, or you can try to keep them off the floor and push yourself back. The other thing is, try to keep your head up, because I think that's where a lot of the back magic comes from, is just trying to keep your head up with your eyes on the horizon. And if you can't, just go where you, obviously move where you can move. So, but don't sweat it if you can't keep your head up. But if you can keep your head up, try to keep your head up. And it's also okay to play with what it feels like with the head down, because your body's made to move. So move where you can, explore where you can move, but try it with the head up. And if you're curious, try it with the head down. Now, the other thing you can do, if you're strong, is you take it from the knees, off the knees. And this one's a little bit more, well, there's a little bit more muscular action here. But you're off the knees, you come down, and then if you need to, go back to the knees. So it's off the knees, push through back to the knees. And if you're strong enough, you're off, push through, stay off the knees. This one, well, they're all special, but that one feels even more special. Anyway, if you're on your knees, it's the reverse Hindu rocking push-up. If you're off your knees, it's some weird reverse through push-up. Anyway, give that a shot. I think you'll like it. It is rocking, so it does activate your vestibular system, but it's also a way to play to get stronger. And again, if you play with the speed and the motion and where you can move with it, I think you'll discover a lot of wonderful things. Not that it just feels good, but you'll actually fill in some gaps in your body's movement and make yourself stronger. All right, so give that a shot. Let us know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.